Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we have an exciting lineup for you. We're diving into the world of creativity and relaxation with a countdown of the best-selling knitting kits on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned knitter or just picking up the needles for the first time, we've got something special for you. Without further ado, let's get started. First up on our list is an absolute favorite among beginners and experts alike. This kit includes everything you need to start your knitting journey, from high-quality yarn to easy-to-follow instructions. Its popularity speaks volumes, and it's perfect for creating cozy scarves, hats, and more. Next, we have a kit that's perfect for those looking to explore new patterns and techniques. It offers a variety of projects and includes premium tools that make knitting a breeze. The rave reviews from happy crafters prove just how amazing this kit is. Our third pick is all about luxury. This kit features hand-dyed, ethically sourced yarns that are not only beautiful, but also sustainable. It's ideal for creating high-end artisanal pieces that you'll cherish for years to come. Coming in at number 4, we have a kit designed with kids in mind. It's fun, colorful, and easy to use, making it a fantastic way to introduce young ones to the joys of knitting. Parents and grandparents love this kit for its ability to spark creativity and keep little hands busy. Finally, our top pick is a comprehensive knitting kit that has taken Amazon by storm. With countless 5-star reviews, this kit includes everything from needles and yarn to detailed pattern guides and video tutorials. It's the ultimate package for anyone looking to take their knitting to the next level. Thank you for joining us today on Bestsellers Market. We hope you've enjoyed this countdown of the best-selling knitting kits on Amazon. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy knitting! Let's dive into the delightful world of MAGIMUSE Crochet Kit for Beginners, the ultimate number 5 on our countdown of best-selling knitting kits on Amazon. If you've ever dreamt of creating something uniquely charming with your own hands, this kit is your perfect gateway to the enchanting universe of crochet. Imagine unboxing the MAGIMUSE Milk Cow Family Crochet Kit and finding everything you need neatly packaged together. This all-in-one starter kit includes not just the essentials but more: 7 vibrant colors of yarn, stuffing, eyes, an ergonomic crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a stitch marker. The convenience of having all these components at your fingertips means you can dive straight into your crafting journey without the hassle of hunting for each piece separately. And here's the kicker: you get an extra 40% of yarn in every color. This thoughtful addition is perfect for beginners, allowing you to experiment, make mistakes, and learn without the fear of running out. But that's not all. MAGIMUSE goes above and beyond with their step-by-step video tutorials. These aren't just any tutorials. They're meticulously designed for complete beginners. The videos guide you from start to finish, breaking down each step in a way that's easy to follow. And when you reach a tricky part, don't worry. They slow down and explain in detail, ensuring you stay on track and gain confidence with every stitch. Crocheting isn't just a hobby, it's a skill that nurtures creativity and concentration. The MAGIMUSE kit makes learning fun and accessible for all ages. Picture yourself creating adorable stuffed cows and sharing these little cuties with your family and friends. It's not just about the final product, but the joy of the process and the pride in your accomplishment. This kit makes an extraordinary gift for any occasion: birthdays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or simply as a special treat for yourself. Embarking on this crafting adventure with the MAGIMUSE kit can be incredibly rewarding. It's more than just making something with your hands. It's about finding a new form of mindful meditation, a way to unwind and relax. And let's not forget the endless support MAGIMUSE offers through email and text. With their guidance, even the most hesitant beginner can quickly develop new skills and abilities. So why wait? Embrace the joy of creating with the MAGIMUSE Crochet Kit for Beginners. It's not just a kit, it's an invitation to discover a new passion, to create and to cherish the handmade magic you bring into the world. Next on our list at number 4, we have the unbeatable 5i0 300 PCs Stitch Markers Set, the go-to kit for every knitting and crocheting enthusiast. This comprehensive package combines practicality with a burst of vibrant colors, making it a must-have for your crafting adventures. Crafted from premium quality plastic, these stitch markers are designed to last. They boast a smooth surface, lightweight feel, and impressive durability, ensuring that your markers stay put and don't slip or fall. With 300 crochet hook markers and 6 big eye-blunt sewing needles, you have more than enough tools to fuel your creative projects without ever running out. What truly sets the 5i0 stitch markers apart is their thoughtful design and size. Each marker measures approximately 20 by 10 millimeters, a perfect size for all your knitting needs. The bright, candy-colored clips are not just functional, but add a dash of fun and cheerfulness to your crafting routine. Whether you're marking the beginning or end of pattern stitches, or indicating stitch increases or decreases, these markers are versatile companions in your knitting toolkit. But the versatility doesn't end there. These DIY craft plastic safety pins are ideal for a variety of uses beyond just knitting and crocheting. They're perfect for weaving, art projects, and even securing woven clothing. Their wide range of applications means you'll always find a new way to put them to good use. And here's the cherry on top: the best after-sales team backing you up. Choosing 5i0 means choosing not only top-tier product quality, but also exceptional customer service. Their professional team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction, ready to assist with any questions or concerns you might have. So, elevate your knitting experience with the 5i0 300PC Stitch Markers set. It's more than just a kit. It's a vibrant, reliable, and indispensable tool that brings color and convenience to your crafting journey. Number 3 on our list of the best-selling knitting kits on Amazon is the Rylan Weaving Needle Combo Deal, an indispensable toolkit for anyone serious about hair weaving and wig making. Let's delve into what makes this combo a standout choice. This comprehensive set features 3 pieces of durable, thick black weaving thread. The strength of this thread is unparalleled, robust enough to support the weight of hair extensions of any length for months on end without snapping or weakening. This ensures your hair wefts and extensions remain securely in place, providing you with peace of mind and long-lasting results. Now, let's talk about the needle's 10 meticulously crafted pieces, each designed to meet every sewing need you might encounter. The set includes 2 large 90 mm C-shaped needles, 2 medium 60 mm C-shaped needles, and 2 small 50 mm C-shaped needles. Additionally, you'll find 2 J-shaped needles and 2 I-shaped needles. This variety guarantees that you have the perfect needle for every task, whether it's sewing hair wefts, attaching wig hair, or working on hair weave extensions. The curvature and shapes of these needles make them ideal for maneuvering through different types of hair and ensuring a tight, secure stitch. Imagine the convenience of having all these tools at your disposal. A meticulously curated set that caters to every aspect of hair weaving and extension sewing. Each needle type serves a specific purpose, allowing for precision and ease in your work. The large and medium C-shaped needles are perfect for broad, sweeping stitches, while the small C-shaped needles handle those intricate, delicate areas with finesse. The J-shaped needles offer versatility in tight spots, and the I-shaped needles are your go-to for straight-line sewing. But it's not just about the tools, it's about the results you achieve. With the Rylan Weaving Needle Combo Deal, you can expect professional-grade outcomes, whether you're a seasoned wig maker or a beginner just starting. The strength of the thread combined with the versatility of the needles ensures your creations are both beautiful and durable. So elevate your hair weaving and wig making projects with the Rylan Weaving Needle Combo Deal. It's more than just a toolkit. It's your partner in achieving flawless, secure, and stunning hair extensions and wigs. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling knitting kits on Amazon? If so, don't let this thread unravel. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you're always looped into our latest content. Coming in at number 2 on our list of best-selling knitting kits on Amazon is the MAGIMUSE Crochet Kit for Beginners. This all-in-one crochet starter kit is your ultimate gateway to the world of amigurumi crafting, designed to make your crochet journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Imagine unboxing the MAGIMUSE kit and discovering everything you need to create an adorable family of hanging potted plants, With 6 vibrant colors of yarn, stuffing, eyes, an ergonomic crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a stitch marker, all included, this kit saves you from the hassle of searching for each component individually. Each item is meticulously selected to ensure you have the best tools at your disposal. But the magic doesn't stop there. MAGIMUSE goes above and beyond by providing an extra 40% of yarn in every color. This thoughtful addition is especially beneficial for beginners, allowing you to experiment, make mistakes, and perfect your craft without the fear of running out of yarn. The yarn itself is smooth and doesn't split, producing crisp, clean stitches that bring your creations to life. And if you're worried about where to start, MAGIMUSE has you covered with their step-by-step video tutorials. These easy-to-follow guides are tailored specifically for beginners, walking you through each step from start to finish. The videos slow down at key points, explaining each detail carefully to ensure you stay on track and build confidence with every stitch. This kit isn't just about creating cute potted plants, it's about discovering a new skill and hobby. Crocheting is not only educational, but also a fantastic way to improve concentration and boost creativity. It's perfect for DIY classes or as a form of mindful meditation to unwind and relax. Imagine the calm and sense of achievement that comes from creating something beautiful with your own hands. And let's not forget the joy of sharing your creations. These charming stuffed plants make wonderful gifts for Valentine's Day, birthdays, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, New Year, or any occasion. They are a delightful way to share a piece of your creativity with family, friends, and loved ones. MAGIMUSE also offers unlimited help and support through email and text. Their dedicated team is ready to assist you, ensuring that even as a beginner, you can quickly develop new skills and abilities with their guidance and your own determination. So immerse yourself in the enchanting world of crochet with the MAGIMUSE Crochet Kit for beginners. It's not just a kit, it's your companion in crafting joy, creativity, and beautiful handmade memories. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. The #1 best-selling knitting kit on Amazon, the Cookie Box Crochet Kit for beginners. This isn't just a kit, it's an all-encompassing experience that makes the art of crochet accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Picture this, a downloadable PDF crochet pattern and a 28-page beginner's guide, brimming with photos, instructions, and tips for both righties and lefties. These digital instructions are incredibly practical. Store them on any device, zoom in for those intricate details, and take them with you wherever you go. But the magic doesn't stop there. This kit includes over 2 hours of immersive, easy-to-follow video tutorials. Clear narration guides you through every step of the plush crochet process, ensuring you're never lost or overwhelmed. The videos come with chapters for easy navigation and speed controls, so you can set the pace that suits you best. And whether you're right-handed or left-handed, Cookie Box has you covered. The Cookie Box Crochet Kit comes packed with all the essentials you need to create the adorable Turtle Hugo. An ergonomic crochet hook, beginner-friendly yarn, stitch markers, safety eyes, a blunt needle, stuffing, PDFs, and video instructions. It's all there. And it's all beautifully packed in an adorable metal tin, designed to keep your yarn organized and unravel smoothly as you crochet. Learning to crochet has never been this easy or fun. This kit focuses on basic techniques that anyone can master: the magic ring, chain stitch, increase, decrease, sewing, and stuffing. While the finished plush may look intricate, it's surprisingly simple to make, providing beginners with a sense of accomplishment and joy. This kit is perfect for anyone who loves plushies and crafts, ideal for those with good motor skills, patience, and attention to detail. Suitable for kids age 13 and up and adults alike, it's a wonderful way to spend quality time learning a new skill. And let's not forget, this kit makes an exceptional gift. Whether for Christmas, birthdays, holidays, or just because, the Cookie Box Crochet Kit is a thoughtful present for anyone who enjoys hands-on activities. So, elevate your crafting journey with the Cookie Box Crochet Kit for beginners. It's more than a kit, it's a gateway to creativity, relaxation, and the pure joy of making something beautiful with your own hands. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling knitting kits on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we talked about today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.